Yeah, I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need. Got me going crazy without you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aries. In this video, I installed this Kinky Afro lace wig from Unice hair, I think that's how you say it, on Amazon. I thought the kinky edges on the lace wig would be interesting, so I went ahead and tried it out. This wig is 18 inches and 180% density. The wig comes with 2 caps, some lashes, and an elastic band. And this is what the hair looks like before I bleach the knots and wash the hair. So, as usual, I'm doing the bald cap method. I love how thin this cap is because I usually get the thick ones that I can barely fit over my head. But this was great. I'm not really going to talk through this video because I'm just doing the exact same thing that I've been doing in my other couple of week videos. So yeah, I'm going to let this video play out and I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so one new thing that I'm trying this time is marking where I want the wig to lay. Because every other time I've glued a wig down, I always bring the wig too far up on my forehead. And I end up having to cut a lot of the hairline. So doing this really helped me to not put it too far past the glue. And I just used some eyeliner to mark the lace. And after that, I did 2 layers of glue. I did have to use my fingers to spread it because I lost my edge brush that had the little spatula thing on it. Or maybe my sister stole it. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair looks when I'm finished. This is actually the next day. I didn't have time to finish the video the day before, but overall, I really love this wig. This is definitely my favorite wig so far. It just looks so natural. I mean, until you look up close at the lace, of course, but I love the edges, the curls, the thickness. I think this is a really good quality wig for under $200. So yeah, I'll definitely be reinstalling this sometime. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.